Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the console and removing the controller from the console or dock. This prevents accidental inputs and damage. Once done, gather a small Phillips and tri-wing screwdriver, a spudger, tweezers, and the replacement joystick. Next, remove visible screws on the back. Keep them in order so each returns to its original hole. Make sure to separate any adhesive strips slowly. You'll need clear access to the internal board. Before you'll lift the rear shell slowly and inspect for ribbon cables that tether the halves. Disconnect any visible flex cables with the spudger so nothing tears. Once exposed, locate the joystick module. Observe whether it's secured by screws, a plug, or solder points. If it's a plug, depress the clip and pull straight out. If soldered, desolder the 3 points with controlled heat, then lift the module. Make sure you note orientation so the new joystick sits exactly the same way. You place the replacement joystick into the slot matching the original orientation. Solder each pad carefully or seat the connector until it clicks to ensure solid contact. Once secure, reconnect ribbon cables, nest the halves together, and reinstall screws in the order you recorded so alignment stays correct. Finally, power on the console and test the stick in a calibration screen or game. If drift appears, recalibrate or run a dead zone adjustment. If drift persists, recheck solder joints and connector seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.